From Silicon Valley Center to the furthest reaches of the world market, a thrilling financial phenomena that is sending shockwaves through the stock market is about to change the very landscape of your portfolio. Elon Musk's invention has caught people's imaginations, altered industries, and is now poised to do the same. Please strap in as we take you on a thrilling journey through the twists and turns of Tesla's stock surge, which sent it soaring to an astounding $300. In this video, we'll analyze what factors are driving this incredible rise. Is it clever engineering, the promise of sustainable transportation, or the enigmatic aura of its visionary leader that's igniting the flames of investor frenzy? From gigafactories to autopilot dreams, we'll uncover the secrets that have turned Tesla's stock into the most exciting ticket in town. But before we do that, please hit the like button and remember to subscribe for more updates from Tesla stock news. With that said, let's move on with the video. Hold on tight, because there's more to the exciting world of self-driving cars than meets the eye. There are 3 important topics to explore in this article. Let's start by discussing safety. Unquestionably, human drivers occasionally have the unpredictable ability to throw us for a loop. The startling reality is that regrettably, 40,000 lives are lost in car accidents each year. This alarming statistic highlights the urgent need for change, paving the way for self-driving technology to emerge and begin its goal of becoming a powerful force in reducing these devastating numbers by skillfully and consistently traversing the highways. We may not be quite there yet, but self-driving technology is poised to become the game-changing innovation that transforms traffic safety. As we turn our focus to the technological sphere, we find ourselves at an exciting crossroads. Elon Musk's optimism indicates that we are well on our way. He sees a time when fully autonomous vehicles are not just a pipe dream, but a tangible reality, ushering in a new era of transportation. He set his goal to reach this milestone by the end of the year, suggesting that we may only be a few years away from this happening. This is where things start to get interesting. The political perspective depicts politicians as content artists who craft stories to inspire people to take action. And guess what? The show's biggest stars are self-driving automobiles. Being a major player, Tesla is in the spotlight, especially with the buzz surrounding its stock performance. Speaking of stocks, Tesla has recently made headlines with analysts and stock gurus offering their opinions on where the company is headed. Although it may have recently experienced some declines, don't be too quick to write off its potential. We're talking about a company that's making waves in the electric vehicle space, and there's a good chance it could hit some impressive milestones. Now, some of you may have noticed that Tesla's stock has been dancing in a downward trend recently, which may have made some investors panic. It's understandable that investors want to maximize their profits, but hold on, because we're going to share a golden nugget of insight. Sure, Tesla might not be your first choice for a quick stock market win in the short term, but in the long run, it's poised to be a game changer like no other. Trust us. This could make you reevaluate your investment strategy. All right, let's take a moment to zoom out and examine the larger picture. Folks, keep in mind that the market moved after the July CPI news. It's been really eye-opening. We've moved some of our focus to the energy sector while still keeping an eye on technology. Energy is taking center stage, with over 100 energy sector stocks shining above their 200-day moving average. If that's not a technical buying signal, I don't know what is. It's all about being proactive and carefully selecting sectors that we believe will lead the way as the market broadens and catches up now. Recall those fascinating comments made by American fund manager and Tesla investor Ron Barron? He made some really audacious forecasts for the company. Ron Barron, the head of Barron Capital Management, has revealed their enormous long-term expectations for Tesla. It's quite the tale. Back then, Barron's group put in a hopping $380 million in Tesla, and they have made an astounding 20 times return on that investment. A poignant reminder that, when it comes to investing, intelligence and patience can really pay off since 2014. When Tesla's stock was only $40 per share, Barron has been a devoted supporter of the company. Fast forward to the present, and their investment has grown to yield an incredible $6 billion in profit. Barron is obviously a major Tesla enthusiast, and he has made a number of optimistic predictions about the company's stock, with Tesla currently sitting pretty in his company's top 10 holdings. Experienced investors clearly realize that Tesla is not your typical company. Now, let's discuss why investors continue to see stars in Tesla's future as this electric vehicle continues to grow in popularity. Powerhouse has produced millions of EVs cars by increasing its car production to extraordinary heights. Tesla has been outpacing its competitors in ways that most of them could only imagine, and this indicates that the corporation has significant potential for investing in businesses that can outperform the market and meet obstacles. Approaching the situation head-on is a wise decision, and Tesla appears to be a perfect fit. However, as with any investment, keep in mind that there will inevitably be ups and downs. Tesla's stock is not immune to market swings. Now, prepare yourself as we delve into the fascinating reasons why Tesla's stock is revving up for a boost in the coming weeks. The road may be bumpy, but the journey promises to be one hell of a ride. Barron has a very positive outlook on Tesla, believing that the firm has the ability to dominate the EV market and generate significant profits for its investors. Tesla is not your typical electric vehicle manufacturer. Barron recently spoke candidly about his thoughts on Tesla's trajectory, speculating that investors may see their investments grow 3 to 5 times over in the next 10 years. Barron even painted a vivid picture of Tesla potentially becoming the largest company in the world by that time. Given Barron's extensive experience in the investment world, his forecasts are undoubtedly credible, don't you think? Plus, given that Tesla is currently valuing itself alongside the industry's elite, it's possible that Barron's predictions won't be too far off. So how is all of this magic supposed to happen, you ask? Well, Tesla isn't putting all its eggs in one basket. The company is expanding into a variety of other ventures in addition to producing those amazing electric vehicles, such as solar products, batteries as energy storage solutions, AI, and autonomous vehicles. These varied businesses in the tech sector are poised to establish the groundwork for Tesla's valuation in the future. Granted, the company has faced its fair share of difficulties, particularly in the complex realm of supply chains, and external factors such as inflation and production constraints can cause financial difficulties. However, long-term supporters of Tesla are not deterred by these headlines. Instead, they are committed to the long term and see the company's potential to grow and become a dominant force. One of the key components of Tesla's competitive advantage is what distinguishes Tesla from the competition, you'd ask. Well, it all comes down to their culture of rapid innovation, which is seen in their unanticipated projects and advancements in everything from battery technology to electric vehicles. For example, Tesla has the expertise and knowledge to take on some fairly amazing feats. The entire self-driving function of Tesla, that's all, folks. Thanks for tuning in to this insightful video about Tesla's potential and the exciting insights from Ron Barron. Do you think Tesla is on track to become a major player in the EV world? How do you see their competitive edge shaping their future? What are your thoughts on the long-term investment game? Let us know in the comments below. This game changer is set to broaden Tesla's consumer base and boost sales as technology keeps advancing. More and more people are leaning towards options that make their lives easier, and Tesla's FSD feature fits the bill, making driving safer and less stressful, something that every EV owner is bound to appreciate.